guys, Michelle, Grateful Creations. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you may be. Hey, I just wanted to let you guys know, I'm sorry I've been MIA, but I tore my rotator cuff and I've been doing physical therapy. So these are my colors for this evening. We have Modern Masters in Pearl White, Modern Masters in Pharaoh Gold, Gessoed in Tawny, and Gessoed in Bisque. We have Modern Masters in Sapphire, and I've added a little bit of black to that to make it more opaque. Triart, Quinacridone Magenta, also a little black in there, and it's kind of a plummy color. We have Color Art in, what is this in? Whoops, sorry. This is Playful Peony. And also we have Color Art in Autumn Leaf. And I have my pearl mix right here. I'm going to be working on a 20 by 30 inch canvas, and it is a reused canvas. Guys, I'm back. So I taped up the back. I put push pins in. And now I'm going to add a little bit of paint to the edges to make them tacky. This is an old canvas that I didn't like the painting, so I gessoed over it. Now, I just come to find out you can make a crackle piece, because this is all cracked here. You can make a crackle piece with gesso, and I had a homemade gesso that I used too. So, where is my chest? Here it is. So I'm just gonna make sure that the edges and the sides are tacky. Part of the prep for your pieces. So I'm trying a bunch of new things tonight. I've never used a canvas that had a texture on it for a pearl pour. I also ditched the Artist Loft and the Apple Barrel, and I'm using Blicrylic instead of those two. We'll see how that works out. I've noticed that on some test pieces I was doing that it wasn't giving me a lot of pearls, so I added some extra Deco Art satin enamel. All right, so here's my pearl mix. Wish me luck. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, guys. Here's one. Just giving it a quick mix. Okay, let's start with that. I want to make it really thin, as usual. Sorry, you're not going to be able to see this part. Tilting, tilting, tilting. Vertical tilt, vertical tilt. Always important. Using some from the mat to finish up this edge. Yeah, like I said, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So it's an experiment for all of us. Bringing it back to center. And I hope there's enough paint off. Thinking there is. Okay. I always have have my trusty little vessel of water here to wash my hands off. Okay. Now, I have very little paint in all of these, so I can't go wild, which is what I want, is not to go wild. Okay, that was the pearl white. Iridescent pearl white. Pharaoh gold. This is tawny. This is bisque. This one I'm not sure about. We'll try it. This is sapphire from Modern Masters. Then we have this plum color, which is magenta, mixed with a little bit of black. I'm gonna put a little bit more bisque on top of this, just for a barrier for the next colors. This is Playful Peony. Still have a lot of paint, right? Jeez Louise. It's because there's so many colors. And this is Autumn Leaf. That Autumn Leaf, it works just like quinacridone Nicolase of Gold. I swear it does. All right, here we go. Keep going. Sorry, I'm tilting really steep, you guys. There's a lot of paint on here. Gotta get a lot of it off, or I'm not gonna have any pearls. And here we go again. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute or two. I've got some pearls coming up here, which I'm really happy about. I love the colors. I don't know about the composition. I might play with that a little bit. All right. Might put you on time lapse. I'm gonna do that. I'm putting you on time lapse. All right, guys, so this is the wet result. I have no idea how it's gonna dry, especially with that crackle gesso thing underneath of it. But I'm really liking the pearls. And I did add some Zeus from TLP right here. It looks like it got swallowed up, but still some there. The lacing is really pretty. Yeah, I psyched you guys out, eh? I had a painting going on before, but I didn't like the way the cells and the pearls were forming, so this is a shadow pearl pour. And the shadow is like right here. Look at that. That's autumn leaf that's coming through. I swear that stuff looks just like quinacridone. It acts just like quinacridone nickel gold. And I'll show you the dried results in a little bit, guys. I had a lot going on here. A new pearl mix, the gesso underneath, and it looks like a lot of my paints have split. So we're gonna have to scrap that pearl mix. I do have some Meeden coming in soon, and I'm gonna try the pearl mix with that. It could be just the environment I'm in. I have a new studio and it's in the basement, so the drying is a little bit different. So I got some pearls. I do have pearls. I don't know. It's not really horrible. Yeah, it kind of is. I might be able to fix it with some brush work, but I think it's not going to be something that I want to do because it's such a big canvas. So lesson learned, lots of lessons learned. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now.